Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Freak. Today we'll be talking about Datedif function. This particular function was only documented till Excel 2000, and post that this function you may not really be able to see within your functions or the formulas tab within Excel. However, you can still go out and use this function. It is a very useful function wherein you need to find the difference in two dates in terms of their number of years, number of months completed, or in terms of days. Now let's have a look at how do we really go about writing this particular function. So what I have here is the start date and end date that I have just randomly given over here, and towards the right hand side is certain units that I have mentioned and what do these units stand for. So what happens is in Datedif function there are three things that we need to mention. So the Datedif function starts like is equal to Datedif. And as I said, it is not documented in the current version of Excel. It was only till 2000. As you type this particular function, you will not see any prompt from Excel. So you will need to on your own remember this function. So as soon as say open parenthesis, now the first thing that I need to pick is my start date. So my start date here is 6/9/2002. And then I'll pick up my end date, which is 4/27/2018. And now I need to put in the unit. Now what is this unit? Unit Y, as mentioned over here, stands for completed years that you need to find the difference on. Similarly, when you write within quotes, it will help you in finding the difference between the two dates in terms of complete months. And D will stand for difference in days. Similarly, MD will stand for difference in days, but it will ignore the months and year. So for example, in this particular case, though there's a difference of 15-16 years, it will ignore those 15 years and it will only give you the difference in terms of the dates that's there, which is your 27th April and your 9th June. So that's the difference that it will showcase you rather than considering the years and the months into the calculation. So that's the difference between a MD and a D, or I would say a day and a month day. So here let's suppose we want to find the difference between these two dates in terms of years. So within my quotes I'm writing Y and I close brackets. It is giving me 15. Now you would say that there's a difference of 16 years, 2018 minus 2002 is 16, but it is talking about complete years. Had this date been, let's say 6, this would have changed to 16 because the 15th year was completed and the 16th year is completed in this case. So that's the difference in what the year stands for. It's more about the completed years rather than just the normal calculations or the approximations. Similarly, if I go ahead and let me just first write here year, and month, and let's do once more. It's equal to dated if bracket open, select the start date, comma end date, and now probably I want to find what? Let's say months. So M goes and so there's a difference of 192 months, you see, because there's a gap of around 16 years. So that's the kind of difference you can evaluate using this particular function. I'm again mentioning you'll not be able to really find this function within your formulas tab, but this is a compatibility function, extremely useful and extremely helpful function when you're doing a lot of date-based calculations. Try this out. You can use the comment box below to share your viewpoints, your opinions about this particular function, and do connect with me in case of any queries at msexcel.freak@gmail.com. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.